I have just received ICSE Chemistry 2025 board paper, which was held today. The first question of MCQ, I've already sent you the answer key. I posted the link in the description box and it will be somewhere here. Then question 2 and question 3 will be another video, for which again you will see somewhere on the right the links. Then question 4 and 5 will be another video. Again the link will be somewhere on the right hand side. And then we come to question number 6 and 7, which I've just finished uploading on YouTube. And now we come to question number 8. Question number 8, first part says state Avogadro's law. Now this is learning type. I cannot do this for you. You have to learn all the laws by heart and you have to just produce the definition. B, definition of coordinate bond. Again, literally you have to copy paste from the textbook. You have to learn it by heart. So this I'm not going to write down because you already know. But now we are coming to differentiate between the following pairs of compounds using the reagent given in the bracket. That's your second subpart, and each one is for 1 mark. Ammonium chloride and sodium chloride using an alkali, and B, zinc nitrate solution and calcium nitrate solution has been given to you and you have to differentiate. Now how we write the answers is like this. We make for A part, this will be A part where ammonium chloride and sodium chloride will make the columns, and using an alkali, so we have add CaOH twice to each and heat. When we heat ammonium compound with an alkali, NH4OH is formed. That will give us pungent smelling ammonia gas. But with NaCl, there is sodium not giving pungent smelling gas. So if no pungent smelling gas, that is ammonia, is evolved, then NaCl is present. You can see how we write the steps and underline the keywords. Okay. Now this whole thing gives you the conformity test of ammonium radical, and that is why it will be ammonium chloride. For the second one, we again make the same kind of columns, test, then zinc nitrate and calcium nitrate solution. So remember that with calcium cation, with NH4OH, there is no precipitate. So we take NH4OH. Do you say you want to take NaOH? If you take NaOH, there will be gelatinous white precipitate here and milky white precipitate here. But still between white and white, you will not be able to distinguish as clearly. So best option is NH4OH. You add a dropwise first and then in excess to see the solubility in excess of the reagent. To the aqueous solution, they have given the solution, so we write like that. So with zinc, it will be gelatinous white precipitate, which is soluble in excess. So you have to draw one drop of NH4OH so that we get to know that the precipitate is formed. If you add the whole thing, ammonium hydroxide total, then you will have the PPT being formed and immediately it will get dissolved. So you must write over here dropwise you have to add. But with calcium nitrate, you add dropwise, then in excess there is going to be no precipitate. Okay, so this is how we have to word the answers. Let us come to the next subpart, and that is the subpart 3. You are provided with some compounds in the box. Choose the most appropriate compound which fits the descriptions from A to C. So it's a 3-mark question, 1 mark for each. Given below are these: a colorless gas which turns acidified K2Cr2O7 from orange to green, again is sulfur dioxide. So that will be A, will be SO2. Here, even if you don't spell it out, it's fine because they have given your options in symbols. The yellow explosive oily liquid when excess chlorine reacts with ammonia is NCl3. that is the reducing property of ammonia, and the yellow metallic oxide formed by thermal decomposition will be from PbCO3. On thermal decomposition, it will become PbO plus CO2. If they had to ask you the gas evolved, then CO2. But yellow metallic oxide would be PbO. Where is PbO? Here it is. Okay, so that would give you your full 3 marks. Let us come to the last part, the fourth subpart that finishes our paper actually. 2025. Can you see? This is your 2025 chemistry paper. Let us look at this. PQRS are the different methods of preparation of salts. P is simple displacement, Q is neutralization by titration. That means it will be K, Na and NH4 salts. Precipitation means there will be insoluble substances, and direct combination. Now, most appropriate method for PbCl2. Now, PbCl2, remember, it's insoluble in water. So, it will have to have precipitation reaction. So, A will be R. That is precipitation. B is FeCl3. Now, FeCl3 is direct combination. Remember, 2Fe plus 3Cl2 gives 2FeCl3, and that is your S, which is direct combination. And the last one, Na2SO4. It's a sodium compound, so it will have to be with titration. As I told you, this means you will have to use neutralization by titration. So that finishes our entire paper. I have solved all the questions from section B. You had to solve only 4 of them. I hope all of you have done full justice to the paper, and I am ending this video over here. Do write how many marks out of 80 you are planning to get and from which part of the world you are watching. Okay, so as of now, I am ending this video. I hope you have made yourself and your parents proud. All the best for the remaining papers. Bye.